Assalamualaikum. This is chapter 5, organic chemistry. So we will have 7 subtopics in this chapter. So 5.1, Introduction to Organic Chemistry. So what is carbon chemistry? An organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry that studies carbon compounds. Carbon able to link to another to form chains of varying length, catenation. Carbon able to form cyclic or ring. Form single, double or triple bonds bonded with other metals, which is called as organometallic. Organic compounds also contains other atoms, non-metallic, sulfur, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and halogen. Organic compound found in all 3 states. Solubility of organic compound in water varies. What is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry that focuses on compounds that contain carbon. Even though organic compounds only contain a few elements, the unit ways carbon atoms can attach together to form molecules leads to millions of different organic compounds. Okay. What's so special about carbon? Carbon atoms can do some unique things that other atoms cannot. Carbon can bond as many as 4 other atoms. Bonds to carbon are very strong and non-reactive, attached together in long chains, and also can make rings. Carbon atoms can form single, double, or triple bonds. Okay. Organic compounds tend to be molecular, which is molecular meaning covalent bonding. Mainly composed of just 6 non-metallic elements. So ini saja yang boleh attach kepada non-metallic elements that attach to C. Compounds found in all 3 states, solid, liquids and gases. Solid tend to have low melting points. Solubility in water varies depending on which of the other elements are attached to carbon and how many there are. So contohnya, methanol is miscible with water, whereas your decanol is insoluble. Carbon bonding. So this is just a refresh from what you learned in semester 1. So carbon forms 4 bonds. So ini 4 bond dia. When carbon has 4 single bonds, the shape is tetrahedral. Bila ada 1 triple and 1 single, the shape is linear. When you have 1 double and 2 single, this is trigonal planar. Okay, introduction to organic chemistry. Functional groups and homologous series. Due to millions of organic molecules exist, then a systematic approach classifies them based on functional groups present in the molecules. Functional group is an atom or group of atoms with a molecule that is responsible for the chemical behavior of the parent molecule. The chemical behavior of a functional group are the same, irrespective of the size of the molecule or where the functional group is. So that is functional group. So apa-apa pun, tak kira berapa panjang perantai dia, it will have a same chemical behavior. Chemical behavior are the same for a functional group yang sama, so it will have the same chemical behavior. For a carbonyl, you will have a C double bond O dekat sini. So in this case, you see there's a double bond here and there is C and an O. So the electronegativity of these atoms are different. So kat sini negatif untuk oksigen, yang karbon pula akan dapat delta positif. So dalam kes ni bukan double bond yang akan serang, tapi O yang ada charge negatif ni yang akan menyerang positif. So there are 2 types of reactions that can be formed by a carbonyl. It's either negatif akan serang positif ataupun satu lagi, contohnya OH negatif yang akan menyerang positif kat sini. So you have 2 kinds of reactions involving your carbonyl, which is it's either your nucleophilic addition, which means you add in your nucleophilic, yang ni. This is a nucleophilic, so you add into your compound, into your original structure, or else you can make an electrophilic addition. Ni, kita masukkan yang ini ke dalam yang ni. So kalau involve a positive into your compound, this is electrophilic addition. Tapi kalau yang melibatkan negatif masuk kepada positif, ini ialah nucleophilic addition. So there are two types. Both can be formed within the carbonyl compound. Depends on what reactant that you react with this carbonyl. Okay. Compounds having the same functional groups are classified under the same homologous series. So contohnya, compounds having same functional groups, okay, will consider as in the same homologous series. Characteristics of members of the same homologous can be represented by the same general formula, have same functional groups and chemical properties, can be prepared using similar methods. Successive members differ by a CH2 group. Physical properties, boiling point are progressively changed with increasing molecular mass. Okay, these are tables that represent your functional groups and homologous series. Okay, so you have to identify which is your homologous, mana satu functional group. So alkane is your homologous, meaning there's a lot of other molecules that can be represented by this formula. Functional group dia, functional group dia none. Alkene, C double bond C. That is your homologous series. Homologous series maksudnya benda tu ialah parent dia. So what are the other members in the group? So the functional group is carbon-carbon double bond. Alkyne, triple bond C. Carbon-carbon triple bond. Okay. Alkyl halide, alcohol, ether, aldehyde. So this is the structure of aldehyde where you have C double bond H. Ini ialah ketone, C double bond R. So this is the difference between aldehyde and ketone. So this is your ketone. R2 ialah representative that represent an alkyl group. So yang aldehyde pula ialah R attached pada C double bond O, tetapi hujung dia ialah H. So the difference between these two structures, ni beza dia hanyalah ini sahaja. Ini ada H, ini ada R. Okay. Aldehyde with an H, ketone with an R. Okay. Both of them are considered as carbonyl as its functional group. Okay. Carboxylic acid pula. So dia ada C double bond O, OH. So dia ada C double bond OH. Bezanya dekat sini. Ini H, ini R, ini OH. Dia punya echo dia kat belakang. So this is a carboxyl. So ester, acyl chloride, amine, nitrile, amine and arene. So this is a carbon in a ring form. Okay, this is aromatic ring. Aromatic ring mesti ada double bond. Okay, katakanlah you have a structure like this. Okay, with no double bonds in the bonding. So this is what you call as a cyclic. cyclic, there is no double bond in the ring. Tapi kalau aromatic ring, dia ada double bond in the ring. Okay, so this is a simplification of your table homology series dengan dia punya general formula dengan structural formula. So, these are your practice. We already done this during the class. Okay, circle the functional group. So, dah ada jawapan dia hari tu. So, yang ni pun checkpoint 1, classify the following compounds according to their functional group. So, we already discussed this. I just make a brief flashback of the answers. Okay, so you have a C double bond OH. So, this is a carboxylic. Dia nak functional group. Okay, functional group. So, this is a carboxyl. So, yang ni functional group dia dekat sini. Ni ialah aldehyde. Sebab C double bond O. Lepas tu ada H kat tepi tu. So, this is a aldehyde. So, the functional group of aldehyde is carbonyl. So, yang this one, kamu tengok ini ialah yang functional group dia. Bukan functional, homology series dia. So, this is an alcohol. So, functional group dia ialah hydroxyl. So, yang ni dekat sini, double bond. So, this is the functional group of a carbon-carbon double bond. So, yang ni pula, kalau kamu tengok kat sini, dia ada COC double bond dengan R dekat tepi tu. So, this is an ester. So, ester dia punya functional group is carboalkoxy. So, yang last ni dekat Cl, chlorine kamu. So, chlorine is a halogen. So, this is a alkyl halide. So, it will call as halogen atom, the functional group.